If you want to learn how to calculate due dates in Excel, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to automatically calculate due date, status, or expiration dates using Excel. So let's get started. Here I have an example with a table where I list all my expenses for a specific month. I have these columns: date, description, amount, paid, and status. The status column will show if the expense is paid, overdue, or due soon. Now, in the status column, I will create a formula to check if the bill is overdue or still within the payment date. We can do this using the if function. The formula is: first, I type if and open parentheses. If the value in cell D3 is equal to paid, then I want the status to show paid. Now, because I need more checks, I add another if function. Here I check if the due date minus today is less than 0. I use the today function so the formula updates automatically every day. If the result is less than 0, the bill is overdue. If there is greater than or equal to 0, the status is due soon. If none of these conditions are true, I will leave the cell empty using double quotes. Then I close all the parentheses and press enter. After that, I use the fill handle to copy the formula down to the other cells in the column. Now you can see that Excel checks each case and shows overdue, due soon, and paid based on today's date and paid column. The best part is that this formula updates every day automatically. You can use the same idea for other cases like products, expiration dates, documents, and service. This way you can quickly see what is expired and what is still valid. And that's today's tip. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips like this. See you next time.